Y'all, I'm gonna make a game in 1 hour today using Godot. Yep, I've got my blank-ish Godot project. I've got some templates and stuff put together, but I'm gonna use that to make it. This is a fun jam. We're just here to do our best. It's not gonna be the most perfect game. It's just supposed to be something to help you learn. Last week, I think I maybe learned some things. The topic was workplace hazard, and my game was just about avoiding these cannonballs. Not really cannonball, wrecking balls or whatever. It went okay. I think I spent way too much time on the player character though, so I want to not worry about that this time. The topic for today's jam, however, is something I would like to know. We actually just spun this wheel. This is history. This is in the past. We just did that. Cooking. Oh, right, yes. Okay. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna plan out my cooking entry. I'm a little nervous about that. I don't know. I just am. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use MS Paint to plan it out. I don't know. It helps me. And then it's gonna kind of chill out because I'm gonna work on my entry for the next hour. By the end of this, we'll see if I end up with a game. I'm gonna try my best, but hopefully it's not bad. So with cooking, I don't want to spend too much time on a player character. To me, I think I would like, okay, this is just what's popping in my head, all right? What if we have like a pan, okay? And the player is the pan, and you move it around, and you have to flip pancakes. Okay, but Lise, how are you gonna flip things? Are you gonna do like an animation? Like, what's the timing? So I really have to think about how this game is gonna end, how you're gonna win it and lose it. So if you flip a pancake, do you have to flip? Maybe like something like comes, what if you have to like click on something, like there are pancakes just like chilling over here? All right, that's a pancake. Don't worry about it. It's a pancake. And the pancake jumps over there onto, well, you actually have to click on it. The player has to click on it. So we have to somehow detect the mouse. We got to get like a raycast. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about setting up a raycast right now. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe there's just like a button here. That's gonna be the easiest for me to do in an hour, is if we have a button. And we're gonna say get a pancake. Okay? So you're gonna press that button, and then the pancake, this is getting wild, is going to jump up on here, and then you as the player will now have control of the pan, and what do you do? God, how am I gonna do this? Maybe like you have to drag a slider. What if there's a slider in Godot? Oh gosh, we're using UI elements. Oh my goodness. I'm just trying to do what I can in an hour, all right? I'm doing my best. And then if you move this slider like in a certain way, so it has to somehow detect maybe like timing. What if there's, okay, oh my gosh, this game is getting, am I overscoping? Am I doing what overscoping is? Maybe there's like a time and it like something lights up and then something else lights up, and you have to have this hit the bottom of the scroll bar and then the top. What am I talking about? All right, this is gonna be wild. So something like that, you have to flip it. Every flip that you get. Guys, I might be failing today, but you know what? I'll have fun and I'll learn something. You'll get +1 point for every successful flip. Okay, I'm gonna say forget all of this. No getting a pancake. Delete that. Delete it. All it is you drag the slider and you have these timings. So you gotta hit those 2 moments and drag something up and down or do something up and down with the UI. And then as you do it with good timing, then you're going to get a point or not. And that's it. That's literally the whole game. And then we'll make a fun animation, right? And that's how you know that you got your point, is the pancake flips. And not only does it flip, it actually goes off. Oh gosh, oh my gosh. And then what, another one comes on? This is terrible. All right, that's my idea. Pancakes are gonna fall on top of a pan, and then you're gonna have to time when you flip it, and then it's gonna go off the pan, and you're gonna get a point. Oh gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna make this. All right, I'm gonna try my best. Before I try my best to make it, I would love to tell you guys about a way you can help support Hyper Game Dev, and thank you if you're willing or able to do that. It means a lot. You can use the links in the description box, actually, to find the humble bundles that are going around right now. Y'all, there's a Blender one. It's the Blender Market Essential Game Modding Toolkit. It has awesome Blender add-ons. All right, we got Retopo Flow in here, Better FBX Importer, Bakemaster. We got rigging a transforming rifle, UV flow. Like, this is some good stuff. There's toolkits, or rather tutorials in here. You've got assets. This is a huge, massive pack. There's also this Blender to Unreal pipeline pack. There's a Godot one as well, a Blender to Godot pipeline in here. So there's some really awesome, powerful stuff in here if you're trying to up your Blender game. I definitely recommend. I strongly recommend checking out this. It'll give you a code to use on Blender. So if you want to support Hyper Game Dev and you decide to check out this, make sure you click on the Adjust Donation when you get there. Hit Custom Amount, and look what you can do. You can divert as much as you want to Hyper Game Dev, and that will help support this channel and this game jam directly. Thank you if you're willing to do that. I really appreciate it. Links are in the description box. There's also a Learn Game Dev bundle with some stuff for Godot, Unreal, Unity, and GameMaker. I know some of y'all are using these engines, so consider checking it out. These are some tutorials from Zenva. Consider checking it out. Thank you if you're willing to. I really appreciate it. Links are in the description box. That's enough of that. Let me get back to my jam entry. I wish myself great luck. I really do. 53 minutes. 53 minutes. I think I can possibly handle that. So my idea to recap for our cooking jam is... What is this? To have pancakes fall into a pan. So we have to have a spawner that spawns pancakes that land on a pan. And then the player has to time when they move a UI element to try and flip a pancake. And then we play an animation that throws the pancake off. Oh geez, and then we get a point for that. I don't know, guys. We'll see how this turns out. I'm gonna do my absolute best. I'm gonna kind of chill out. We're gonna just take a breather, and I'm gonna slow down the vibe so I can work on this. I'm sure it will get exciting again as we get closer to the end. But for now, let's just pump the brakes a little and see if we can make these games. And don't forget, we're gonna check out everyone else's games after this as well. So you don't want to miss that. All right. Here we go. So I'm gonna want to make like a pan and some pancakes. Let's do that. Let's make a pan. Do I have anything in this scene yet? I have. So this is my last week's stuff. We already have the character in there. This is going to be quite different than ever. I don't think I got some music going. I don't think I want to use the player character. Yeah, we're gonna skip the player character. I don't even know that I need a ground. I don't really care about any of that, but let's just see where we're at. We need a camera. Yes, that would be important. I'm gonna go find a camera node so we can see what's happening, what the deal is, and everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Oh my goodness. Could do rigid bodies and raycasts. True. Oh gosh, I'm so scared of that. That's really scary. Have 4 pans, each one assigned to a button, ASDF. Press the button to flip that related pan. Whoa. These are interesting ideas. I love these ideas, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I'm definitely... Raycasts. Maybe I should do raycasts. The rigid bodies, I mean, it's like I have to experiment, right? I gotta spend my time experimenting. All right, let's just make a pan and think about it. Think about it while you make a pan. It's an interesting idea. All right, so I'm gonna get, I guess, an area 3D. I mean, if I'm gonna do a static, am I really gonna do this? But like, if I do the rigid body and the raycast, it's like, what's it detecting? Is it detecting that it like flips up once and it goes a certain height and then it comes back down? Like, we have to somehow detect if it's gone high enough and then come back down far enough, you know? Like, that's tough. That's tough. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, Roger, you have to do something? Oh no! Well, you know, yeah. So here's the thing, Roger, is you can always submit a late entry. Like, as long as you do a pre-submission, you can still get a submission in. And even if you don't, like, you know, you can post it up to the community tab. So we still got your back if you need to submit something. Oh God, the static body thing. I don't know. I think that's danger. But it's kind of fun. There's something kind of chaotic about it. All right, fine. I'll do it. We're iterating here. So the game, as far as how the game ends, it's just like an infinite scoring. Or maybe there's a time limit. Maybe we should have a time limit that counts down. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I'm making a pan. I am. Here we go. Mesh instance 3D. Let's get a little closer so I can see what it looks like. And then I'm gonna make a cylinder naturally. Oh, we were close. Wow, that was very close. Oh, geez. I was like, why am I clipping through the ground? All right, there's a cylinder. Let's make it a little bit shorter, all right? Just shrink it. Okay, height 1. Okay, let me come over here. Let's make the height 0.5, even shorter. Yes, Frank, precisely. You already know. Oh gosh, I wish I could make that beautiful of a pancake stack right now. 0.1. That maybe is a little small. Also need to think about what this looks like in the camera. Nothing. Cool. Good. Where are we? Oh. Let's pull this back. Scooch it. Move the camera down. Much better. Angle it a bit so we can see what we're seeing. Push it forward. Okay, maybe something like that. And then I'm gonna add, we're gonna call this pan. Let's add another one for the handle. I suppose another cylinder, maybe a capsule. Maybe a capsule could be nice here. Get it a little bit smaller in its radius. Bam, pan. Instant pan. But I guess the pan, it would be nice if it like kind of sunk in a bit. We have like a torus? That's one of these, right? Right? Yes, there is. Okay, so wheat. We're gonna say this is the rim of the pan, and we're gonna make it a torus. Now, one thing that's gonna be tough about this is the collision shape. I'm gonna have to really be smart about that so it doesn't, you know, cause problems. Namely, that it's not going to be slowing the game down because it's too complex. All right, that's kind of the pan. Okay, there's the pan. Beautiful pan, honestly. Let's give it some color. I would like them all to have the same color, honestly. We're not getting fancy here. I'm gonna make it kind of gray, as a pan would be. I'll give you some metallicism. And maybe, ooh, make it a little shiny. Wow, beautiful pan. Oh, the topic. Welcome. The topic is cooking. Let me pin it in the chat. Cooking is our topic today. Okay, it's pinned up in the chat. Great. All right, now, but how am I gonna make it follow the cursor? That's kind of, well, remember what you were saying? Just do. All right. do the idea you had. I know it's ridiculous, okay? Please, just do the UI slider. I know, but I think it's the right choice. Because I'm not gonna sit here and try to figure out how to get it to fit, to follow the mouse. I don't know how to do that. I'm sure it's perfectly doable. I guess we could just get like the viewport mouse XY position. Fine, I'll do it. Okay. No, maybe I can do it. This is gonna be, oh my goodness. I'm gonna look at the project that I'm usually working on during the week. And somewhere in here, we do have some code that follows the player. And I'm gonna grab that and use that from my spell book. That's gonna be in, where is that gonna be? Jeez, I don't even know. That's on the abductee script, I believe. So we set up the camera here. I might want to set up a camera or get like a reference to the camera, and then we need to get the position that it's at. Scratch is down. Oh wow, you're gonna make it from scratch? Whoa, I hope it gets back soon. Dang, what the heck, Scratch? There's not like a desktop version. I know somewhere in here it follows the mouse. I just don't remember where. Cursor position, get viewport, get mouse position. Right there. Okay, bam. That's what I was looking for. It does go down quick. It really does. You don't have space to install it. Make space. Make some space. Not ideal relying on web-based things, but I understand sometimes that's the way it has to go. So what do we do with that cursor position? We just pump it right in there. I guess that's okay. I guess that's all I need. Okay, that's what I'm gonna use. That's what I'm gonna use. Fine. I won't do the UI thing. I will figure this out. Let's call this static body static pan. That's what I called it. I'm gonna attach a script to it, and in there we're gonna want to get that position. Can I set that up at the beginning? Is that bad? What if we just say print cursor position? What do we get? I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm so nervous. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we need to, let's set it up. Let's set it up somewhere else. What about the ready function? Oh, I could probably just say on ready. Let's try that. Maybe? Cool. Oh yeah, look, it's XY. So then I just have to get it to be something we can apply to 3D space, which is terrifying. Was it unproject something? Was that it? Unproject position. That's a camera 3D thing though. That's just for camera. Okay. Alright, well let's try it anyway. So I want this pan. So let's also on ready the pan. Okay, and the pan is gonna have its I'm hopping over here. The pan's gonna have its, we'll say pan position X equals cursor position X. Pan position Y equals cursor position Y. What is that chaos gonna be like? Ah, certain chaos, absolute chaos. Where is it? It's nowhere. It's nowhere. Let's try global position of stuff. Oh, I wonder if this actually does like XY like that. I think it does, because this is a vector too. Maybe I'll put this on global position. Oh dear. It's not a 2D. I might need to look up how to do this, right? It's gone. It's just gone. Goodbye. See ya. Weird. I'm actually a little surprised by that. I guess I'd be curious to know what the pan's global position is. Also, you're only moving the mesh, by the way. You don't want to move the mesh. You want to move the static body. Otherwise... Oh, and I wonder if because it's a... Oh, I don't have collision on the static body. It might just be like floating through... It might be like falling through the ground or something. Or just like Godot's like, I'm not going to render that. You didn't even make me something. And I said sorry. All right, let's make the pan have a hopefully simple collision shape. Not as simple as I was hoping for. Can you do, is this one gonna be simpler? Heck no. Frick no. If I was, okay, let's try, oh god, I can't believe I'm doing it this way. I actually can. Let's make it a cylinder, and let's make it the same size, approximately. So we're gonna shrink this down. What height did we make the pan cylinder? 0.2. So I'm gonna want that same height. 0.2, and then for the rim, I mean, just well, I don't know. Do we have a torus? Probably not. A torus collision shape? Heck no. See, that's the tough part. Well, just make that have the collision, the complex, and we'll see. If it's disaster, we'll deal with it. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay, so now it's got collision. Does it like show up now? It's still in mystery, who knows where land. It's just gone. Dang, I was really hoping that was all there was to it. Okay, cool. Good. What if we don't do global position? I'm surprised it's so gone. But then if I comment all that out, it's fine and it exists. I might have to look this up. Oh dear, I'm in danger. Yeah, there it is. And I can put it up in the air. Spending so much time on this. We're just gonna end up smacking pancakes is gonna be the whole game. Wait, it's not even falling. Why does it not have physics? Oh, should I have made it a rigid body instead of a static body? I can do that. Change type, rigid. My bad. It might be zooming away. Try zooming out. I did try zooming out the camera, and I still couldn't find it. That's what was boggling my mind there. Rigid body 3D. Okay, now it's actually... Oh god, Godot physics already concerning me. So here, I'll show you. So I'll put that in there. Hit play. And now let's zoom out. Oh, where is it? Where even is it? It's gone. So I think something much more horrible is happening. So I'm going to do a little look up here. GD script, cursor position, 3D object, move. Where pan? Dram! I'm asking myself the same question. Where pan? Moving an object with the mouse in 3D. How to get 3D position of the mouse. Yeah, maybe just tell me that. It's from 2018. Go to the remote view to see. Oh, that's true. It's probably horrendous. This is a long time ago. No, I don't want to make a raycast. Maybe I should say get viewport. I wonder, can we do the... I feel like I'm going about this in a disastrously wrong way. Get viewport or whatever. I'm trying to make a 2D play every spawn object, try to jump on it, I promise. Get global mouse position and set global position. Oh. That's a thing? This is from how old? How long is this? 2021. That could be longer ago. I think we just can say get global mouse position. Also, don't on-ready that, dude. Please, you can't on-ready that. That's not gonna work. What if it's just because I'm on-readying it? And that's like a disastrous choice. Invalid call doesn't exist on window. Cool. All right, just get the mouse position. Forget all that. Okay, just never mind. Forget I ever said it. Forget I ever said it. Oh my gosh, I'm spending so much time getting this pan moving. Oh no, it's still gone. Dang. No, we know it worked. I didn't need to move it out of on-ready because I remember we were printing those values just fine. All right, maybe, oh God, I might need to pivot, guys. I'm spending so much time on this one thing. It's dangerous. This is dangerous behavior. I can't believe you made up well, but maybe if you get rid of this part, does get global mouse position exist now? Nope, it doesn't. It does not. Let's see if we can read. Returns the mouse viewport using the coordinate of this. Get positional shadow. Yeah, I don't know what the heck we're doing here. Vector 2. Yeah, I think this is bad news. I think this is bad news. Get viewport mouse position isn't working right. Archive. Oh dear. All right, I gotta pivot this somehow. We have to pivot this somehow. This is not the wheel. We're not wheeling right now. Oh, let me do the idea of looking at the remote. I gotta pivot. I'm in severe danger. I'm kind of having fun though. Okay, cursor position is at negative. Why does it say negative 455? Cursor position 285. Use UI bars to flip. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That was my original idea. But I got hooked on this other idea. There's its velocity. Let's see what its transform is. Where is that? I actually don't usually use this to look up information. I don't even know what its position is. There's not just, oh, there it is. Position 285, 147. Hey, what's up, Oppo? That doesn't sound anywhere wild. That sounds like a perfectly normal place for something to be. But I can't see it. I wonder if it's like underneath somewhere, you know? All right, yeah, it's a cool topic. Yeah, all right. All right, I gotta pivot. I'm halfway through my time. And this is not working. It's a high Y value. What if it's in the sky? That's not the right place for it. I feel like, you know what I think? I think this mouse position is part of the devastation here. Like, I don't think this mouse position is useful. That's something that I think. It thinks it's high in the sky. I think its mouse position is useless. That's what I think. So we're gonna forget all that. We gotta change this. We gotta make a different choice. So the choice is instead going to indeed be a UI element. So I'm gonna grab a scroll bar. I've never used this in my life. I've seen some of you use it in the jams, but I've never used it myself. Okay. I presume there's some information we can get from this. Let's see if we can design it to look a little nicer. It looks ugly. Size, container sizing. It's just so small. Min value 0, max value 100. Let's say 0 and like 10. And then I don't know what to even do with this thing. Theme overrides, icons, styles, scroll, grabber, highlight. We can change the grabber like texture. But that's about it that I can see here. And it is not looking pretty. border width, but that's not necessarily like where you grab it. Also, why doesn't it look like that? Why does it look different than that? All right, we just have to let it go. This has to be good enough. What does it feel like to use? Does it feel bad? It's not too bad. It kind of sucks to click on. Like, custom step, that's not gonna change the size of the grabber. Allow greater, allow lesser. Localization toolbit, focus mouse input. Let me look it up. Godot horizontal scroll grabber size. They'll automatically resize the grabber based on the control. Control custom minimum size of the control relative to the... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I also need to put this in like a margin container and lock that margin container somewhere. Over here. Drag that out. Put this in there. Whoa. That's horrifying. That's not good. Minimum size doesn't want to obey that. Oh, there we go. Nice. And it's based on this size? Alright, this just has to be good enough. I needed to at least make sure it's snapped to the sides. It's like way over there and it's super hard to grab. And it takes up like the whole side of the screen. It's kind of bad. Let's make it super wide. So at least you can't miss it. Oh my goodness. And what if we add some text on there? Yeah, I'm gonna add some text on there. Let's add a label. I'm just gonna say grab. Grab. Make that text a little bigger so the player actually knows what you're supposed to do. Granted, I haven't made it work yet. That remains to be seen. Functionality does not yet exist. Okay, so it says grab. It's very hard to see. And if I resize it and stuff, it's all good. Oh god, it just gets bigger. If you go full screen, it's gonna be a bigger grab size. Oh dear. Don't play this one on full screen unless you want to have a bad time. You do want to have a bad time? Okay, yeah, then you should do that. Oh, I can't even... Alright. Jesus. What if I say... like this? Have an arrow. Oh man. Okay, let's make it work. So we got to get information from the scroll bar. The scroll bar has signals. Changed, value changed, and that outputs a float, I'm presuming. So let's connect that to our pan script. We're gonna say, oh, so I gotta come reference this somehow. Horrifying, absolutely devastating. I guess I'm gonna, wow, okay. This is gonna be scroll bar. I need to give it a script. I have to give it a script. That's the only way. In here, we're gonna say, is it value changed? Value changed, connect on value changed, right? And then we say func on value changed. Oops. We're gonna have it emit a signal, messenger scroll value. I need to change something. Emit value. It's not called value changed, it's called value changed. Oh shoot, I put that on the margin container. There we go. Alright. Now I need to go create that on my autoload messenger, which should already exist. It doesn't? Wait, what? What are you talking about? It's just not open. Okay, signal scroll value. That's what I called it, right? Scroll value. Yes. Now we gotta come to my project and the pan, and we want to say messenger scroll value connect on scroll value. Probably want to keep that, and we're gonna say func on scroll value, and it calls with the value. And then we're gonna update scroll position equals value. We're gonna create variable scroll position. It's gonna be a float, and it's gonna be set to 0 until that starts moving. I guess it's at, I don't really know. I guess the top, I don't really know if the top is 100 or what. You got a bug, it's over? You got this. You got this. There's still time. I know that feeling though. My gosh. I believe in you, Luera. I want to say position Y equals scroll position. Whoa. Alright. Okay. That's something. It's a little strange. Some weird stuff going on here. I feel like we should start with it down, ideally. Wish I could change that grabber size so bad. Take the Todd Howard approach. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Yeah. What's up, Insane Alpha Beta? I want the max. Wait. We can set. Yeah, set the value to. I think 10 is a little high. Let's make it 7. Max value 7. Min value 0. So I need to change my grab arrow down here, like that. Whoa. Wait, why did that not do what I thought it would do? I thought if I said, oh, we want to say min value 0, max value 7. Whoa, the grabber is like, I don't know what to do with that, please. What are you talking about? Okay, sorry. I guess I have to invert it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, fine. So I have to drag it down? This is stupid. Okay. I hate this. Alright. I don't want an arrow because you're technically gonna move it anyway, you know? 7 is still way too high. It's so high. Also the camera position. We could adjust the camera position. What if I make it 4? I hate that it's not doing the direct... What is the freaking life that we're living here? What if I make it 1? Okay, at least it's actually like kind of making some sense there with the movement. Dear God. Now, since we're controlling the... I don't know, it's fine. I hate that it's inverted. These things are very frustrating to me. It has to be okay. Lise, you only have 20 minutes. I do need to move the camera a bit. I'm not loving its position right now. to be honest. Let's pull it out, move it up, see what that gives us. I should really be testing this on itch soon. That's always a good thing. Why can't we? There's gotta be a way to change the grabber, dude. It's so bad. It's so small. Godot scroll grabber size. Like, come on. I don't want it resized automatically. Style box texture for the grabber to make it. Yeah, but that won't change the grabber position. So it sounds like you can't. Terrible, 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 Godot. I love you, but this is silly. Alright. Alright, it is what it is. So we're gonna make the value maybe 2 or something. 20 minutes, that time is ticking away. Alright, so there you can flip. Good, good, good. I want to adjust the camera because that looks not good to me. Let's move it over. Maybe something like that. We want a time countdown, so let me set up the time to count down. I do have this pre-made, thankfully. Edward is finished. Oh, good. Good for you. Can't wait to play it. Ugh, I hate cheat codes. Okay, so bless your heart, though. Let's say 30 seconds, and it counts down. Now, timer for racing is going to be tough because I need to set a condition for when the timer is going to start. So now I got to figure that out. Here. We want to say, or input is action pressed, whatever grab is. What do we call the mouse grab? Do I have a button for that yet? I don't know if I do. I don't think I made one. Grab. And that's just gonna be left mouse button. Okay. And then we're gonna call that grab. Okay, so then the timer should start when we first click the mouse. Yep, it does. Now I need pancakes. I haven't even made the pancakes yet. How the heck is this gonna work? We're only moving up and down. What the heck? What the heck is this? I feel like it should be like one pancake. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, wow. This is gonna be risky business. I'm trying a soft body today. Do I know how to use a soft body? I don't. I should probably learn before I try doing this. What's it gonna do? What the heck is it gonna do? It can't. I've never used soft body in my entire life. How the heck is this gonna work? It's not, right? Genuinely, I have absolutely no idea. The danger. Soft bodies are a lot. Okay, maybe I should, frickin' not. Maybe I should change my mind on that. Should I abandon this ship before it's too late? Let's add a collision. We said 0.3, 0.3, 0.1. Cylinder. Oh. Okay, that's incorrect. 0.1, 0.3. There. Uh-oh, we got danger. Collision shape 3D only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision object 3D node. Please only use a child. Okay, so then what the heck am I supposed to do? This body will be ignored until you set a mesh. What? Oh, we put it inside of here. Whoa. What? What in the frick? What in the entire world? 0.3, 0.3, 0.1. What is happening? Is this gonna work in the browser? I don't know. This looks wild. I'm kind of like transfixed though. Like it looks fascinating. Albedo. I have to make it pancake color, obviously. All right, that's the pancake color. What is happening right now? Like if I play it, what does it look? Whoa! That wasn't that funny because it was bad. What am I supposed to do with that? That's not a game. What? Oh. I need to not do this. I think this is a mistake. I think this is a mistake right now. I think what Dungeon Martian said, that it's a lot, was correct. Linear stiff, like I wonder if any of these settings, simulation precision, big, total mass, much, damping drag coefficient, high, ray pickable, oh dear God. Can we like lessen those number of like deform points? It's not listening to me. All right, delete it, kill it, burn it down. It doesn't care about me. It doesn't care about me, my family, my friends, or anything. Okay, Edward, you got this, buddy. I believe in you. Why? I don't need to believe in you. You already finished it. Good job. All right, we're nope. That's burnt to the ground. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm remaking all this. Elise, you should really Control-Z your way back into the past. That would be the smart choice. And change this into a rigid body. Okay? Alright, so it should like already be ready to go. Oh no, it's still badly behaved. Oh dear, this was a mistake. I knew I shouldn't have done this. Oh crap. What if I get rid of that second collision here? I feel like that collision, the rim collision, is causing disaster. Oh no, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It was a mistake. It was a total mistake. Oh my God. All right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh dear. This is not good. Give it 1,000 mass. Give it very little mass. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. Oh my God. Well, there's no, it's all rigid body, to be fair. Like, what do I click on? What do we click on to make this be better? Axis lock? That could help. No angular axes. Oh dear God, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. It says that it's static, but it actually isn't. It's a lie. Axis lock is devastating, apparently. Axis lock is death. Axis lock is death. Jesus Christ. Why are you like this, Godot? Okay. All right. Yeah, I don't know what to say. All right. Well, we're going to spawn these now. Now we're going to spawn these. I don't know how this is going to be a game, but it's what it is. Okay. So let me I do have a pre-made spawner somewhere. And I'm going to attempt to spawn these horrible, horrible things in. Yep. Yep. You betcha. Oh, I have to change the position in the code of which direction it spawns in. The object I want it to spawn is the cake. So let's just see if it's at least doing that. There they are. There they are, just getting completely ignored. No, I don't. I mean, I got... Thank you. Thank you. That's very nice of you. This is... this is ultimate danger. Deep, profound danger. I mean... like, it's... Like, there's no this to have got, honestly. It's... What if I make this pan collision super tall? It's still... Why is it like this? Why is it like this? It actually sometimes kind of collides. First pancake is always a little weird. That's true, Robin. You're making an excellent point. Why did I do this? Why did I... Okay, wait. It kind of works if we're up high. Look. What's the pan's mass? I don't know. Interesting question. Not enough. Make it 1,000. Nothing helpful here. But look, if we're up high, it works way better. Do I know why? No. Wait, what if I lower the spawn point down? No. So, like, whatever that is that's happening, I need to figure it out. Whoa. And make it be everything. It's almost like it's like ignoring it. It's being so weird. It's the weirdest thing ever. Oh man, but I gotta move the spawn point up a little higher or it doesn't even, nothing happens. What in the frickin' world? I don't even have like points to get. I don't even have points to set up. It's just clipping through. It's just clipping through. That's all it is. Turn off can sleep in the pan and pancake. That's not gonna do anything. What if it does though? I don't know what that was supposed to do, but it didn't help me. But I like that you had this suggestion. It means a lot. I think it's worse. Wait. Let me control Z my life away here. Back to when it was up higher. This was the most functional that we had. The most functional version was this. We still can't score any points, by the way. Or if we were up high, this kind of works. So if I just move the camera... I still don't know what the game is. Like, I guess if you get it over there, as opposed to it, like, falling through, like, however many go over there. So that would mean I mean, it's what are the chances that I get this done in time? So I need to create an area 3D, and the area, so when we put the cake, add a script to the cake, say that the cake, add to group cake, come to the area 3D, cake detector, and then in the cake, well, I need to give this a collision shape 3D. Let's make it a box, and I'm gonna move that. Nope, we're gonna move the whole thing over here. to this vicinity. Okay, somewhere over there. And then we're gonna say, put a script on here, and the script is cake detector script. And then I'm gonna say that connect or area entered, or no, body entered, connect on body entered, func on body entered, body, we don't really care what the body is, just if it's a body, it's good enough. Messenger add point 1. It is hard, I agree. Add point is not a function. Oh yeah, you're right, sorry. Point emit 1. Okay. Thank you, Godot. Thank you, Godot. Okay. Give me some points. Let me see some points happening. Oh, it's going the other direction! Why is it going over there? Oh, you freak! Okay, alright, okay, fine. I'll make another collision shape, and we'll move it over here. Okay? Just somewhere that is generally in the right place. 2! Okay, nice, it works. Okay, oh my god. Alright, stretch out this so it's bigger. Adjust that position, adjust this position. Oh my god. Oh my god. Zoop. Come on, come on. Points! We're getting points, baby! Alright, here we go. Export that. Oh, I haven't tested it in itch.io. I don't even know if it works. I can't believe I made a game! Okay, but wait, we haven't tested it on itch.io yet. So I cannot be sure that it works. We're gonna create export folder, save index.html. We gotta go to resources, and I gotta find cake. I think cake is the only thing I need to find. Cake, and then this scene. So we want this today's jam scene, and we want to click on cake. And then I need to uncheck last week's game, which is going to be checked in here. Uncheck that. Okay, export project, save it, head over to itch, go to my pre-submission. Oh my god. Time is almost up, guys. I didn't give myself extra time on the timer today, so like that is the time. This is flip pancakes. Flip pancakes. Okay. Flip pancakes. HTML. Let's see. That's okay. Make a pre-submission. Have you made a pre-submission? Make a pre-submission. That is to say, just make a submission right now. Save it, right? Save it. Guys, make pre-submissions and save them. Here's the thing, I'm gonna play some games too. You can if you make a pre-submission before this timer runs out, you can still upload a game to it. And if you miss the time, you can upload a game to itch, and then if you can finish it before I play everyone's games, I'll check out your game. So think about that, consider that. All right, jam template, jam scenes today, export, select everything inside of there. Compress. Danny Kaka, what's up? Welcome. Thanks for coming through. Hope you've been doing well. I'm in danger in a good way, maybe. Shader rate buffer support. I don't recommend full screen. I'm not even gonna offer you a full screen button. Drag the slider to flip the pancakes. Find the sweet spot and get as many points as possible. Okay, we're gonna put sweet in here. Drag the pancakes. Okay, we're not gonna worry about it. We're just not gonna drag the slider on the left to flip the pancakes. Okay, so the game should be uploading. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm not sure. Save it. View it. Oh god, I have no idea if this is gonna work. I have no idea if it's gonna work. Okay, You probably did, Luera. Okay, okay. And you can always submit it on the community tab. Did I make a game? Is there an error? Oh, please don't be an error. Please just like work. Oh, there's kind of a problem. Okay, okay. Not the worst problem, honestly. Not the best. Oh dear. They're not. No! The cakes aren't emitting. Wait, are they? Oh, shoot. What? What even is this? What even is this? What? Oh, the spawner. Wait. I don't think I put the spawner in there. Okay, wait, I'm taking some extra overtime. I'm taking some overtime. By the way, guys, there's another stream. Did you know there's a second stream? After this, we're gonna play everybody's entries. All of your entries. Let me make sure you guys know how to get there. So I'm gonna drop a link in the chat in just a second here. I am gonna take some extra time to work on my game. Look, it exported wrong. I want some extra time. You guys deserve extra time. I deserve extra time. Okay, so I just made that stream public. Here's the link in the chat, all right? If you guys want to go there now and start joining the queue. There's a Q&A at the top of the chat over there if you guys want to start putting in your entries to go next. Okay, so what did I put in spawn controller and spawn point. Oh, I forgot to add spawn point. Bam, that's the problem. And then as well, it looks like my spawn point is visually there and we don't want it to be visual. Okay, let's see if this works better. Export project. Okay. Just a little overtime. How bad overtime? Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. How bad's my overtime? What is it? -1 minutes? You know, that could be worse. It really could be. Okay. We're gonna update the game. Update the game. Come over here. Upload file. We got this. We got this. I got this. We got this. Select all of that. 7-zip. Add to export. Okay. This is why it's great to make sure that I test it. And this is true at any game jam. Whatever medium people are going to be playing it in, whether you're building it or you're adding it as a browser game, test it there. Test it there. All right, here we go. Did I fix it? Please. Did I fix the game that somehow managed to be an actual game? Come on. Oh, the spawner is still visible, but oh, it's pretty broken. Why? No. Why is it moving? Why is it rotating? Oh, did I actually update it? Like, I don't even understand. I don't even get it. We got all the things in here, right? All the things that are relevant. Cake. Oh, man. It's the thought that, get out of my face. No, that's very nice of you. That's very nice of you. Okay, well, there is one other way I can do this. I can export literally everything. Thank you. That's very kind of you. I could just literally put my entire jam project in this one thing, which means it's going to take like 2-3 times as long to load, but whatever. And I know some of you guys are rushing. We're giving you all extra time for everybody, including me. See how big this is? Now it's like a giant project file. But maybe this way we can be sure that it actually has everything. I have a feeling we're going to have the like pancake shoot there one way or the other. I don't think there's any getting around the pancake shoot. The pancake shoot might be the way it is. I wonder if I like uploaded it wrong. What if that was like the same one? What if everything was fine and it actually worked and I didn't need to do what I'm doing right now? And I just like didn't upload it correctly. I guess it would just be true and there would be nothing else to say. Then, well, you tried. And sometimes that's the best we can do. It's the thought that counts. It's more than the thought. It's the attempt, you know? It's being willing to say, I will try to make a game in 1 hour. Even if it turns out disastrously, even it's not a disaster. Because I learned about soft bodies, I learned about some rigid body stuff. I found out about the scroll bar. And I'm actually, in the editor, the game is pretty freaking decent. Like, I'm actually really happy with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it feels really good. So it's more than just the thought. It's the effort that counts. The effort is what counts. Thank you for the love, though. I appreciate it. Okay. Last test. Last test before I resign myself to having not been able to put the game up properly. Last test. Here we go. What will it be like? I don't know. This is it. This is the final result of my efforts today. Oh, it looks like it might work. Okay, there you go, everybody. Bam, bam. Now, I will say there are still some problems with it. Yeah, because you get less. No way, dude. This works. Come on now. Bam! Game works! Let's go! Alright. I made my game in 1 hour. I want to say, I'm not the only one who made a game in 1 hour. I'm going to check out all of the games that you guys made as well. Tap or click in the top right if you're watching this after the live stream. We're going to go see everybody's jam entries. I'm going to play mine a little bit more over there too, see if I can get a good score. I'm already racking up the points. I'll see you there. Wow. I'm proud of myself. I feel